Hey, what's up? This is Corey with Wooly, and today we're talking about how to do a hand catch with the new Mavic 2 Pro. Coffee. So this probably goes without saying, but if you do this wrong, it could be dangerous. It's a fairly simple maneuver, but you could also slice your fingers, slice your face, lose a leg, go to the hospital, whatever. Just be careful when you're doing it. Make sure that obstacle avoidance is turned off whenever you try this. It's kind of unpredictable what it decides to do whenever obstacle avoidance is turned on and it sees you. On the bottom of the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom, there's sensors everywhere. And if you stick your hand directly underneath it, it's gonna try and get up and away from your hand. So you actually have to grab right here in front of these vents. Whenever I grab it, I like to do it with my hand kind of out of the way like this, so it's not in the way of any of the sensors. Once the propellers start to slow down, I'll swing my hand up underneath and catch it. Let's talk about real quick why you'd want to do this. If there's not a great place to land, like I'm out here in a bunch of grass, that would be a good time to do this. Otherwise, just land it on the ground like a normal person. The way that I like to do it is to spin the drone around so that it's facing me, the camera's facing me, and fly it in tripod mode really slowly towards me above head level, and then reach up and grab it right in front of these vents. Push up just a little bit so that the drone thinks it's getting a little bit less wind resistance and the propellers will slow down. And then when it does that, push down on the left joystick and the drone will completely shut off right into your hand and you can fold your hand underneath and catch it all the way. You can take off from your hand now, which is dope. So if you try and pull down at all whenever you grab it, it'll just try and take back off. Watch this. So you want to push up just a little bit. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh my gosh. I decided to record this video in an anthill.